And you can see it's still trickling. It'll keep running now for about an hour yet, runoff. Oh, the island right there is almost gone. All right, July 18th, I was just doing some more compaction on my leaks here, and we just got a pop-up downpour coming down pretty good, man. That might add a few more inches to the new pond. Wow, now I'm stuck in the machine for a little bit. Nice. So the update on the old pond leak, after that last patch I did, it was like, 8, 9, 10 feet across at the base. I believe I got it sealed up. So what I did is I resealed it, and I had to recompact that top 20-foot wide ditch that I built. I had to refill that and compact that, and then I had to compact the whole base, the new plug that I did. But what I did was, since the clay was really wet and moist, I'd compact it, I'd let it wait, a day or two, then I'd compact it again with that machine and really compress it some more. And then another day or two, I'd compact it again. So, I got really, really good compaction on that big plug at the base. And that was 3+ weeks ago, and I can't see any water coming out. That pipe is now dry across the driveway where it was sopping wet. It's all drying up, bone dry. So I believe I got the leak cured, which is going to lead into my next decision of going ahead and connecting these two lakes together. Wow, this was a surprise pop-up. They're just calling for sunny weather. I bet you we could sit here and watch this new pond come up a little bit. It gets a lot more runoff than I expected. Woo! Downpour. Yeah, she's coming up. This thing gets a lot more runoff than I anticipated from up that hill in the woods there. Alright, July 18th update for now. I'm still coming down. I'm just waiting for that little island to fully disappear. I'm thinking we got at least 3 foot deep in the deep holes right now. Right, July 18th, still another little pop-up that could add an inch or two to the new pond, and depending on how long it lasts, but we'll take it. Every inch matters. Woohoo! Building a life pond dream, 1 inch at a time. Of water, that is. Come on now. So July 18th, quick update. I was going after my pond patch yesterday. I just grabbed the high lifter and did some follow-up compaction, and I got caught in a downpour pop-up. It was sunny and hot. Anyways, let's get a quick look for July 18th, the new pond filling update. Looking good. This is after our 4th rain, I think. We got 1 inch yesterday, and that island is about gone now. I'm debating on jumping in this thing to determine its depth. I'm saying there's at least 3 feet on both of the deep holes. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it's more than that, but man, I'd like to check it out. But so far it's looking fantastic. And at least in this spot, some of this 2-inch stone has slowed down a lot of the erosion. I need some right over there, but yeah, I'll take that. I got a little more to get. I'll put it right in there probably tomorrow maybe. So if the sun comes out, which it might tonight, I'm gonna put a marker on the beach. Then I can watch this pond in the coming rains and see if my patches worked or not. What plan we're gonna be on, A, B, C, D, or E, but it's all good. All right, the follow-up look on the same day, the 18th, the island is almost gone after the follow-up runoff. And I put a stick on my main old pond. Give me a sense of how much is leaking, how much ain't leaking, and how high we're gonna get. So, beautiful evening, even after the rain. Sun came out. Looks pretty. They're digging all the fresh seed, huh? Last load of rock from the backyard, from the septic project. Got like 4 or 5 bucket loads out of that. So a nice little bonus just digging out the septic. Whew, alright. All I need to do is either plant a food plot or go on the beach to stir up some rain. July 19th, I believe. And with the 90s degree weather, we've got another rain coming. So, we'll see if we can add some more water to the new pond. Okay, July 19th, we got a pop-up shower. I don't think it was that much, but we'll do a check, see if there's only a little bit of that island sticking up. See if it's totally gone. This pond, well, I did put a stick in there yesterday. We'll take a look at that. No, I could see it right there. There's really no change. And very little change here. It wasn't that big of a rain. The island is still just barely hanging on right there. So, we'll wait for more rain. Oh man, it's coming down. Bonus pop-up shower filling the new pond. Woo! Wow! I'll take it right here. Add another few inches, baby. Alright, still July 28th. We got some more pop-up showers that really gave a dump of rain. So let's go look. Keep in mind, after the rain, the water's still going to run for an hour or better. But I think that island's going to be gone right now, or like right there to be gone. So let's go check it out. And I need to put some markers in this pond after my last patch to see, you know, if it comes up or not. I mean, it wasn't like a gully washer, you know, we maybe got a 1/4 inch or so. But this one, I believe, has come up some more, because it takes in a lot of runoff. So far, I don't see the island at all. Oh yeah, it's barely hanging on. So it came up another inch or two. The island is almost completely gone now. And you can see it's still trickling. It'll keep running now for about an hour yet, runoff. Cool, the island right there is almost gone. It's filling up, baby, 1 inch at a time.